one of the #1 top 5 lies that I hear about dreadlocks on a regular basis. And it's crazy because it doesn't even make any sense.
This is a razzaq YT production.
Hey, what's up YouTube? What's good? Jack here. New video. And as y'all can see, I'm in a place that you've never seen me at, which probably isn't a good thing. Not gonna hold you. Today I'm in the library, and that's why I'm speaking kind of low right now, just cause I don't know how soundproof these walls are, and I don't want niggas barging in this whole thinking I'm talking to myself on some crazy shit. But today's video, as you got to see by the title, I'm gonna do a little something. Today's video is gonna be the start of a new series on my channel, and I think this series is gonna do pretty well. Just cause I hear a whole bunch of just lies and misconceptions about dreads before I even started them, and now that I have them, I'm like, damn,
that shit was not true.
This series is gonna be Dreadlock Mythbusters, and all that's gonna be is me basically debunking hella myths about dreadlocks that you might have heard. Just cause there's a lot of things, and there's a lot of rumors, and there's a lot of things out there that are just not true about dreads, and people get the wrong idea about it. It might make people not want to get dreads. So I'm here basically to debunk some of those myths, or talk about some of those myths, or just shine a light onto some things and just tell y'all really how true all this is. Because if I'm being real, y'all niggas have been capping for years. Alright, without any further ado, let's go ahead and roll the intro. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hello to this new series, a new chapter on my channel. I once again appreciate all the support, and let's just get right into the video.
And I'm just tryna count up the cake, just tryna scoot off in the race. Fuck niggas, stay in your place. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so the first thing we're gonna talk about, first thing first, the way we're gonna start off this series is one of the #1 top 5 lies that I hear about dreadlocks on a regular basis. And it's crazy because it doesn't even make any sense. The lie that I'm about to talk to y'all about right now in this video for the very start of this series, I'm sorry, as y'all can tell, I'm trying to get my minutes up. But first, #1 lie I'm finna talk to y'all about is the lie that people say not to wash your hair for like a whole month, or like not to wash your hair for like 2 months, 3. Like, I've heard crazy things. People have said not to wash your hair for 90 days when you first start off your starter locks, or when you first start off your dread. And that's insane. There's no way y'all actually could believe that this is like true. It doesn't make any sense. Because why would you want dirty hair? It doesn't make any sense. The first thing that you need to know about this myth is that it started because people were scared of their hair or of their starter locks getting messed up. That's what I'll say. The myth really started because people didn't want their starter locks to get messed up. Because as you know, once you wash your hair for the first time, it's gonna look all crazy. But this whole thing started because whenever you wash your hair, the starter locks might mess up a little bit or come out or unravel. And people don't like that, and people are scared of that. But what you have to understand and realize is that's a part of the journey, G. Like, people DM me all the time, they're like, man, I don't know if the 2-strand twist method is gonna work for me. And keep it real with you, some of y'all it won't work for it just because you have like a 3A hair texture. You can't have, as y'all can see, my hair is at like 4C. You can't have like a 3A hair texture and want to get dreadlocks from 2-strand twists. I mean, it might work, but it's gonna take you a long time, and it's gonna be more difficult. I'm sure you could do it. I'm not gonna lie, any hair could lock up. It's like, whenever you wash your hair, if your hair comes out, a lot of y'all ask me this. This is a really common question. Not that I'm tired of answering the question, but like, y'all keep asking me, it's all good. I'll respond. I'm never tripping about it. But like, if your hair unravels or untwists, or the twist comes out, or the starlight gets messed up, and y'all ask me what to do, all you gotta do is retwist it up again. It's just as simple as that. If you first start off your dreads and your 2-strand twist starts to unravel or come out, all you gotta do is twist that boy back up, and then you right back in the locking process. It's not that serious, you know. Your hair is gonna come undone and come back done. Like that's how dreadlocks are formed. And I'm sure y'all have heard that in a bunch of other videos. That whole, you know, your hair, you know. Y'all know what I'm talking about if you watch other dreadlock videos. I really think that you need to be washing your hair whenever you need to wash your hair. You're gonna know when you need to wash your hair. A lot of y'all will go through that stage where you don't want to wash your starter locks and your hair is itching or your scalp is irritated, and it's like, man, it hasn't been 3 weeks, I don't want to wash my starter locks. Bro, wash your hair. If your scalp is itching, wash your hair. It's not okay. Just wash your hair, bro. I promise you, your hair is gonna lock up. I promise you, it will be okay. But if your hair is starting to itch, if your hair is starting to smell, you need to be washing your hair. It's no excuse for you not to wash your hair. Personally, I don't gotta wash my hair all that often because, for one, dirt just doesn't be building up on my scalp like that, and two, dirt just don't be building up on my scalp like that. I need to wash my hair super often. My hair doesn't retain odor that much, so it's like I wash my hair maybe every couple weeks, because probably even less than that. I'm probably capping for this camera. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't really do it that much because I don't need to. You listen to your hair. You listen to what you think is good for you. You don't gotta ask other people what's good for your hair, because at the end of the day, it's not their hair. You know what I mean? What works for me might not work for you. You might have to wash your hair once a week. Some people gotta do that because a lot of y'all, that dirt does build up on your scalp and you need to get rid of that. That shit is nasty. All I'm telling y'all is to make sure you're washing your hair as you see fit. You don't gotta listen to anybody's opinions. You don't gotta listen to anybody saying to wash your hair every 3 weeks. You do you. You do what you think is necessary for your individual hair, because it is your individual hair. That's it. That's all I gotta say for this myth, and I just want to say that this myth has in fact been, you know, debunked. It does not matter what stage of the locking process you're at, except for maybe like, don't wash that hoe a day after you get the starter locks. That should have been obvious. I shouldn't have to say that. At least give it a week. That's the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed it, which I'm sure you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how y'all feel about the new series. If you like it, you want more episodes, or you know, just anything else that you want me to do. Y'all know that you DM me a topic, I'm gonna cover it. That's it. It's as simple as that. If y'all want to see a topic, just tell me what y'all want to see and I'm gonna record it for you. But that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And I'm sorry, I know y'all see me looking over here. Look at this beautiful view that I'm looking at right now, bro. This is Texas State right here. You know, I'm in the library right now, as I said before. But this shit is beautiful. I'm sorry. I come here to get some work done, and I just got the motivation to record, and I was like, shit, let me get this video to these people. So, without any further ado, I'm gonna end the video off here. I've been rambling on for long enough, and I'll see y'all next time.
I say turn me up, play this little Scotty truck. Toolie Tuck, don't give a fuck. Told him point me to the Bucks. Nigga trippin' in the club, we fuck around and shoot it up. See me, I run with big dog, that little boy shit not moving us. Bitch, I'm cooler than a cooler. A shooter with a shooter. Pull up to the trap house with 50, sir, you on the scooter. He say you wanna make some money, I'm